Hello friends, good morning all of you, and let's begin today. Let's start today. So in yesterday's session, we people have done with almost different ways that we people can use, or we can say that structures, but I will not focus on structures because structures may be forgotten. We'll just try to understand usage of the all tenses, and accordingly we people need to use them in communication. Important is communication. Here we are not going to appear for any exams which will be based on grammar. So if you are getting some example and you have to identify tense or convert one sentence from another uh, tense like this. So here we are giving more importance to communication, and in communication, oral communication. You can go for written communication as well, but important will be oral communication. Okay, so with this I think that last two tenses we people will discuss here, and then we people will go for that quiz. Okay, uh, so I will share the screen. All of you just ensure that my voice is audible to you clearly, as well as you people are able to see the screen also. So is it audible and visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So let's go. Before going, we'll just talk to these remaining two types of tenses, and then we'll go for this test. All right. So in future, everywhere we people need to use shall and will. Apart from that, we people are going to just use according to the that tense. We people are going to decide which one the verb form we people are going to choose, whether it is V1, V2, V3. That is also important. So after future continuous, let's talk about today future perfect. So let's talk about use. So when we plan, when we think, when we imagine that the action completed in future, how is it possible to complete action in the future? So we people cannot just complete action in the future, but we think that up to that time, for example, up to evening, you can take the closer time up to the evening or up to night. We people can think that a particular action will have completed, or you might have attended all the classes. Okay, so we people can just think of it. Yes, sir. Updated and text section and PDF. Okay, so we imagine that we will just complete that action, and so accordingly we plan that. For such things, we people use future perfect tense. Okay, so use will be to intend the action completed future time for these reasons. And you people can just think, I just told you that the action right now you have not completed the or attending all the lectures, but by the time 6 p.m. in the evening, so up to that time, what which actions you people would have completed? You would have completed attending all the lectures. So you people can just tell the same thing, that I will have attended all the lectures by the evening. Okay, something like this you people can think. Okay, and now let's talk for the structure. So you people just help me. What structure you people are going to use here? First of all, subject will be there. Then what? After subject, shall or will you are going to use. Okay. After shall and will, you are going to use have.
V3.
Here, first of all, have, and after have, then you people are having V3. Okay. And then the remaining part of the sentence. So this way. So remember here, have is compulsory. You people have to use. Though your subject is he, she, it, whatever it may be. So don't use has here. It will be have always. Remember. And now people just tell me some examples of future perfect tense. You can just unmute and tell me, or you can just send it in chat box also.
S minus A of C. C raised to 8 cancel.
Yes, Mansi. He will have received the letter. Yes, that is the correct sentence. He will have received the letter. You people can just think that here you can mention the time as well. Okay, so how we can mention the time? For example, if the sentence that Mansi has given, yeah, it is like this: he will receive the letter by next week. So time is denoting in the future, next week or something like this. Okay. Then we are having here from Mayuri, we will have completed engineering is into 2023. Yes, Mayuri, that is perfect example. Then from Pranali, we have, they will have finished this work. Yes, Pranali. Pooja, she will have completed the assignment. Yes, that is also right. So all you people just try to understand that how people can think of the future event, future action, and completion of that action. And by that time, you can give that time also. If it is not given, that is okay. But if you can give probable date also, as maybe here it is mentioned by Mayuri, that completion of engineering. So when you are going to complete it in 2023. So you are thinking that by that time, you will have completed it. Is it completed now? Now it is not completed, but it is in future and it will be completed. So like this. So we can take this example also into consideration. Okay. So here also we people are getting from Pooja, they will have eaten a mango. That is also right. Okay. So I hope that all you people might have just got it clear about future perfect tense. And then we people will just go for now. Last one, that will be future perfect continuous. Okay. So now just think about its use. If future perfect is used to describe actions which are completed in the future, okay, which are completed in the future. But in case of future perfect continuous tense, what will happen? Action will start in the future and will be continued in the future. So action will start in the future and it will be continued in the future for such things. Here it is completed. Here it is completed, but here it is continued. So this difference you people have to understand. Okay. For example, now the people can think of one example. I will have been learning English for, maybe you can use time also, 5 years or something like this, because that is important. You're talking about the future event. So you will start learning English in future and it will continue for 5 years, something like this. Okay. So for such things, now we people will use the structure. So from this example, you can get the structure like this. Subject is there. Okay. After subject, you are going to use shall or will. One will be there. After shall and will, you people are again, you are going to use here have. Okay. After have, you people are going to use been. After been, there is main verb with ing form and the remaining part of the sentence. It can be anything. Yes, Mansi has sent me already. Subject shall have or will have and will, and then main verb will in ing form. And now let's talk of examples. Few examples we people will discuss. Mayuri, we will have been going to college. Yes, Mayuri, probably when you people are in 12th, okay, and you're thinking that now you're going for engineering. In such case, you can use this example. We will have been going to college in such situation. Or you can just talk here like this. We will have been working now. So maybe right now you're doing engineering and you're thinking that you'll start your job in the future and you will continue to work. In that case, you can use that example. She will have been gardening for 5 years. Okay, that is also right. She will have been learning to drive scooter for 1 hour. Okay, that will be also fine. Pragati. The players will have been playing for 2 hours. Okay, that will be also okay. And fine, up to now I hope that all you people might have just got it clear. Okay, so just 1 minute. Okay, Pragati is also sending another example. They will have been studying seriously. Okay, that is also right. We will have been working hard for this position. Yes, Ganesh, you are also right. Okay, so here you may just add one more structure here. In case of future perfect tense, future perfect can be into passive voice. So if it is into passive voice, in that case the people can just think that can be like this. Verb form will be like this. Shall or will is there. After shall and will, you people are going to use here have. Okay, after have you are going to use been here, and after been you people are going to use main verb into V3. So sentences can be into passive also. If the sentence is he will have received a letter, so this sentence we people can just convert into passive like this. The letter will have been received by him. So what by next week all these things will be as it is. So this is also you just try to understand. Okay, she will not have been seen her because she is angry. So Pooja, in case of tense, she is angry, uh, that will not be appropriate combination. Present simple present and future perfect continuous will not be okay to combine together. She will be angry, that you can use here, Pooja. They will have been traveling for 2 days. Okay, that is right, Pranali. Yes. All right. So here we people have done with all 12 types of tense. And if you have any of the questions or doubts or difficulty for understanding tense, you can ask me. Or if you want more explanation of any of the tense, any example you want to explain it in detail, you just try to ask me. If not, then we'll go for that exercise. So anything? Say something, yes, no, you got it, you understood it, or you did not understood it, you have questions. Otherwise, I will not understand what is going on. Is my voice audible clearly? So nobody's replying. So therefore I'm asking, I'm in doubt. Okay, fine. Thank you, Mansi, for replying. So I hope that nobody will have any doubts. So based on your understanding, fine. So we'll just stop here learning and we'll just go for quiz. So here you people are able to see the presentation now, and here that practice test will be based on tests. Okay. So all you people need to be alert now and just try to think that based on your understanding, you people are going to choose the question and answer for that. You can answer in both ways. Okay, Pooja. Now see that question is in front of you, and that question says, although the police dash every precaution, the robber managed to escape. Okay, and here you people have options that you people have to choose. Take, takes, has taken, or had taken. So here you people have to read this sentence carefully. There are two tenses combined together, and based on that, you people have to answer. So is it like this question is not visible to all of you?
Awesome.
It is not visible.
Not visible.
Not
Okay.
visible, sir.
So I will share the screen once again. I will stop sharing this screen and I will share it again. Is it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine, thank you. So let's talk now about this question. The question is, although the police dash every precaution, the robber managed to escape. And here you people are going to answer for this question. Take, takes, has taken, or had taken. You can answer through poll as well as chat box and unmute and speak also. So I got answer from Mansi. And others can also just try to answer. Okay, Mayuri is also here. I will give you a clue. Okay, Pranali is there, Pragati is also there. You can think of the tense of this. Here is managed. So based on that, you can take decision. Okay, at the end, I will tell you answer. Okay, Sayush and Pooja, at the end, we will talk, we'll discuss answer. So poll has been closed. In poll, I got maximum response for let's say option C, but let's see what answer is going to be. So I just told you that you people can just think of the sentence, the robber managed to escape. Will tell me what is tense in this sentence? Robber managed to escape. Which tense?
Simple past.
Yes, Mansi, you're right. It is simple past. So can you combine that simple past with present? So you cannot combine it. Okay. If you cannot combine with present tense, so your two options, three options like take will not be there, takes will not be there, and has taken is also not there, because you cannot go with simple past and simple present. You cannot go with simple past and present perfect. So therefore, these three options will not be there. So which option left? That option D is left, and that is answer. And here you people need to remember combination of simple past and past perfect. So therefore, option D is going to answer. Takes will be simple present, so it will not be answer. So you can see, check your answer that it is had taken. Okay. But this will go to the next question. Is it visible? Is the screen visible? Now, second question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The boys dash television every night unless they have homework. And your options are here: watch, watches, watched, watching. So what do you think? Which option suits here better? You just answer it. So I got answer from Mansi and Sayush. Others you just try to answer. Sakshi is also here with her answer. Only 3 responses. Others just try to think that your guess will work. Pranali is also here. Let it be wrong, but you just try answering. In fact, all 48 students should answer here. Pooja is also here. Okay, so now we'll just try to discuss and we'll try to reach to the correct answer. You can get a clue from every night. Okay, so that every night, what does it indicate? That indicates that action happens regularly. So if things are happening regularly, if it is every time, so that tells us the tense is going to be which? It will be simple present. Okay, if you are going to choose simple present tense, which verb form will come here? That should be in which form? It should be into V1. So we'll go for options. Watch, watches, they are in V1. Watched is and watching is not here. So your option C and D will not be answered. Now let's try to decide between watch and watches. Can you choose watches here? You cannot choose watches here. Why you cannot choose watches here? Because here your subject. What is your subject? That is boys. Is it singular or plural? It is plural. So therefore you cannot choose watches. If it is boy, in that case you cannot go for watch and you would have chosen watches. So therefore the boys watch, that is going to mark your answer and it is going to be correct because of every night that indicates action is regular and that is into simple present tense. All right, I hope that all you people are getting it, understanding it. Then with this, we are going to move towards the next question. Next question number 3 is in front of you that says, Maria dash an appointment to see the doctor. It is at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Okay, based on this, you people have to choose make, makes, made, has made, and you people have to choose the correct answer. So I got answer from Pooja and Pragati. Authors just try to think about the action when it might have done. Based on you're getting clue from 10 a.m. tomorrow will tell you that when that particular action might have done, which verb form will be suitable. Based on that, 10 a.m. tomorrow will give you clue. So Sakshi is also here with her answer. Rahul is there. Others just think, choose your guess. If you don't know exact answer, let it be wrong also, but you should participate. Mayuri is also here. All right, so let's go to the answer now. And all of you just try to pay attention. Here is Maria. So can you choose make? You cannot choose make. So first option is not applicable for here. Out of remaining 3, makes, made, and has made. If you think that appointment is tomorrow 10 a.m. So appointment might have already done. So you cannot go mix. You cannot go for made even also. Okay. So therefore, just try to understand that action has already completed. Appointment, booking appointment, that is already completed and it has impact in present tense because it is tomorrow. So therefore, you people are going to choose which tense here? That will be present perfect. And if you want to choose present perfect, the structure is have and has, and then main verb is in V3. So Maria is singular. So you people have chosen has and V3 will be made. So therefore, correct answer for this question is going to be this, has made. Okay. I hope that you are going to reach to the answer in this way. So correct answer is has made. Okay. All right. So if any question or doubt is there, in that case, you just try to ask me. All right. So with this, we are going to move towards the next question. So next question is in front of you.
When they are ready.
Mayuri, any question?
Sorry, sir. Sukunan.
Okay. They dash when they are ready. Okay. And your options are come, came, will come, have come. And here you people just try to answer. Already I got responses from Pooja, Mansi, Pragati. They've answered. Snehal is also there. And in poll also I'm getting maximum response here. So you can think of the tense combination. Here they are ready. So here is present tense. Here is simple present tense. Okay. Yes, Sakshi is also with her answer. So they are ready is in simple present. So with simple present, you people can choose which one out of these four options. Okay, so let's go to the answer now. Just try to discuss. So you cannot go for past tense. Okay, so came is came cannot be answered. So option B left out of these answers. Then now out of that come. So come will be into present, simple present. So simple present and simple present. No, you cannot go for this also. Simple present and present perfect, that is also not suitable here in this case. But what will be correct way? They will come. Simple future and simple present, that makes the right combination here in this, and that makes a sense, and that will be meaningful. They will come when they are ready. Okay, so option C is answer here. All of you people are correct. Fine. With this, we will go to the next question. Next question is in front of you. Judy dash watching horror films, although she has nightmares afterwards. Okay. And based on this, you people just try to answer whether it is like, likes, liked, will like. And you can answer. Poll is in front of you. Already I got responses from Mansi, Pooja, okay. Then Pragati, Sayush, Snehal, all of them, they have answered. Sakshi, Mayuri, Mansi Salgar is also fine. Okay, so we are getting it. We are just trying to figure it out. We just try to understand. The sentence has next part. She has nightmares. So has nightmares tells us which is tense of this sentence. Has nightmare. What tense of this sentence is? Has nightmare. Which tense? Tell me. Yes, Mansi, you're right. That is simple present tense. Okay. Here it is simple present tense. So accordingly, people are going to choose now what will come here. So if it is present, simple present tense here, you cannot go for past tense. So your option liked will not be here. Now think about Judy. So Judy is third person singular, so you cannot go for like as well. So option A and option C are not appropriate. Now people have to decide between option B and option D. Okay, so you can think that already she is having nightmares. Okay, so before watching those movies, how can she has nightmares? So you cannot go for future also. Will like also be no right way. So correct answer will be here likes. Judy likes watching horror films, although she has nightmares afterwards. Yes, all right. You people are just trying to understand it in a better way. So likes is correct answer for this question. With this, we people are here now with question number 6 is in front of you. It dash every afternoon for the past week. Read carefully. The weather forecast predicts rain for next week also. And based on this, you people have to answer is raining, was raining, has been raining or had been raining? Read carefully and answer. The poll is in front of you. I got answers from Pooja and Pragati. Others just respond. I got answer from Sakshi, Sayush, and Mansi as well. And all of them, they are just telling me right answers. Okay. We'll discuss that answer at the end. You can get clues from these things that here you people can just think the sentence. First sentence is every afternoon for the past week, and prediction is rain for next week also. Okay, Mansi Salgal, that's fine. We will get answer at the end. All right, so let's try to figure out the answer. So for the past week, okay, action started when? Action started in the past. Okay, action started in the past, and it is going on right now also, and it will be continue for next week also. For these three things, you will just come to know that which tense you people are going to be found. Okay, so is raining cannot be. Is raining is, it shows that action is going on right now only, so you cannot choose present continuous. You cannot choose past continuous also. So those who are thinking of was raining, that is also not correct answer. Why? Because it started in the past week. Okay, it started in the past week and it is continue up to next week also. So you cannot go for that past perfect continuous also. Had been raining is also not right here. Why? Because it is raining right now also, and it will rain in the next week also. So therefore, what is going to be answer here? Has been raining is going to be answer here. Try to understand. If you have any question or confusion in this case, you just try to raise your hand and ask me. It will be has been raining. Why? I already told action started in the past, it is going on and it will be continued. So therefore, it is present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Then next question, number 7 is in front of you. That says, I dashed the door before I realized that keys were inside the house. And here your options are lock, locked, has locked, had locked. Okay, and you just choose which one will be correct one. Okay, I got answers from Pooja, Mansi, and Pragati. Others just think. Here you can get clue from this verb realized will help you to choose the correct option. Sakshi is also here. Okay, Mayuri, we will just come to the answer. Pooja will just, at the end, we'll just discuss the answer. So let's try to figure out answer. So here are two actions, okay? Which are these two actions? Let's try to find out. The two actions are locking of door, and another is realizing. Okay, out of these two actions, you just tell me which would have taken first. Which would have taken first? Locking of the door or realizing? Which action took first? Okay, so locking took first. Okay, yes, you are right. Sayush and Mansi, you are right. First locking take place and then realization take place. Okay, so therefore you can just think that if the things are this realization is in past, simple past, so you cannot go for present tense. Okay, so your options that I lock or has locked, they are gone. So now people have to think about locked and had locked. Okay, so when there are two things, out of these two things, so people have to choose the combination of tense, and that is simple past and past perfect. And that combination will be as per you are using past perfect for first action. So locking of the door will take into past perfect, and then second thing will be into simple past. So therefore locked cannot be answer. So what left here? Had locked is going to be answer here, and most of the students answered it rightly. Okay, Rahul is also here with option D. All right, so had locked is answer here. Then next question is in front of you. Here you just try to understand. When Sally dashed her first pay, she bought presents for her parents. So your options are received, received, has received, had received. Okay, here immediately I got answers from Pragati, Mansi, and Pooja, and they all are right. Okay, you just think that which option you want to choose. Sayush is also here. Sakshi is also here. Others just respond it, try to answer, figure it out. Okay, Rahul is here. What do you think? So what is into simple past? Okay, so based on that you cannot go for this option, so that will help you to find it out rightly. Okay, now you just think that combination of tense can be simple past and simple past as well, and this time you will not go for past perfect. So had received is not here. You cannot go for present tense, so your receive is also not appropriate option here. So what left? That is received, and that is answer. When Sally received her first pay, she bought presents for her parents. Okay, so received is answer here for this question. All right, so with this we are going to move towards the next question. Next question is in front of you. Question number 9. It says, it's lovely to wake up in the morning and dash birds singing. So whether it is here, hears, heard, or hearing. I got answer from Sayush and Pooja. Others please reply fast. Pragati also answering, and poll is also in front of you. All of you answer through poll also. Mansi is also here. Sakshi is also here. Ganesh and Kranti, they are also answering. Nancy Salgar is also with her answer. So I will give you a hint. That hint can be here. It is. It means it is. Okay. Remember, it means it is. Okay. And there, you people can think here. What is it? Based on that, you people can reach to the answer. Okay. So here we people are getting a lot of responses from all of you, and now let's figure it out. So it is means it is into which tense? Present tense. But here you people present continuous tense. Mansi will just figure it out. It's not present continuous tense. If it is present continuous, then it should be emizar and then VING. Okay. If it is present continuous, what is structure for present continuous? It is like this: am, is, are, and after that you people are going to use main verb in ing form. But it is not like that. So it is lovely. There is one sentence. Okay, in that case it should be waking. Okay, Sayush, you think like this. So it should be waking, then in that case it will be present continuous. It is not like this. So sentences, it is lovely. Okay, so what is sentence? It is lovely. Okay, this sentence is into simple present tense, and after that there is preposition. There are two actions which are connected with two. So which are these two actions? First one is waking up. So waking up is in which form? Waking up is in which form? It is into first form, or it is into present tense itself is, but it after to every time we people use which form of verb, it is always V1. Okay, after to it is always V1, and which is another action which we are going to use after to, that is we people have to, yes, hearing, yes, Sanyush. So hearing we people are going to use it, or we are going to choose it here. So that is also here you people have to understand, that is going to be into first form. So here, no hearing, try to understand, no hearing. Why not hearing? Because that wake up is connected with two, and after two, it is always V1. Always V1. So you cannot go for hearing. Those which are thinking of hearing, that is not right. And those who are thinking of present continuous, that is not present continuous. It is simple present. And after that present, simple present, two actions are connected with preposition to, that is to wake up and to hear, something like this. So it's lovely to wake up in the morning and hear birds singing. Okay. Any doubt about this answer, Mansi?
No doubt.
Okay, all right. So answer is here. So option A is going to be answer this time. Okay, and with this now we are going to end this session with this question. This is the last question. Around dash $80 for that bag. So I got answer from Pooja Pragati immediately, and here your options are like this: pay, paid, pays, paying. Okay, Mansi is also, Sanyush is there, Ganesh is there, Sakshi is here. Everyone is answering it right, and all of them are right. Mayuri is also right. Mansi Salgar, she is also having her answer. Anyone, any other? In poll, we got maximum response here also. So we'll just close this poll right now, and we'll go for the conclusion and answer of this question. Okay. So that indicates, that bag tells you that the shopping has already done. Okay. So you cannot go for pay. Pay is irrelevant option here. You cannot go for pays. So what left? Paid and paying. If you want to use paying, there should be something helping verb like is, are, or was where. So you cannot go for that also. So option A, option D are irrelevant. Out of paid and pays, you cannot go for pays because that is into simple present and that does not suit here. So paid is the right one. Okay. So option B is answer. Yes, Rahul is also here with his answer. And you can check that paid is the right answer. So here we have done with that practice test also. Is it clear? Any questions, any doubt? If there are any doubt, any questions, you just try to ask me. So here we have done with tense. So you just try to tell me what should we have in next session. Should we go for voice, a quick revision maybe in one class, or should we continue with that verbal ability? You just tell me, we'll go accordingly. Out of these two things, you just tell me whether we should go for voice or we should go for verbal ability. So all of you just try to reply. I will decide based on majority. So Ganesh and Pooja, they have expressed their opinion. Others remaining, you just try to tell me. Okay, Sanyush and Shubham also expressed their opinion. And here majority is with voice. All of them, they have of the opinion to go with voice. Okay, fine. So in the next session, quickly we will revise, or in short, because already people are clear with tense. So based on tense only, you are going to clear with voice as well. Okay, and that will continue, and we'll have such kind of quiz or test on voice also. Okay, Snehal, thank you for your response, and we'll take attendance here right now, and we're going to stop here today. So I think that DSY students, Ganesh, Kranti, Mansi, Rahul, Raj, all of you people are just attending the session. If you find any difficulty, you just let me know. And if there is any additional suggestion or anything that you would like to tell me, you can just tell me. Okay, we'll go for attendance. Roll number 137. Present numbers are these: 8, 9, 10, then 11, 13, 14, then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 30, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 42, 46, 47, 48, 52, 55, 56, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 65, 67, 70, 71, 74, 76, 77. So these are present numbers only. Okay. Okay, so can anybody tell me which are the roll numbers for interview, technical interview with me? I don't know. I have to find it out. So I think that 60 to 70 or 50 to 60. Does anyone know who is present here over? Or you people don't know anything about your interview, technical interview? Those who are with me, you just try to raise your hand. Okay, all right, let it be. I will manage it. So should we stop here? Should I end this meeting? Should I end this meeting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So thank you for joining today, and do join for next session also.